If you're looking for a real edge in digital marketing or content creation, Playjump AI just dropped. And there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about skipping this software. This is easily one of the smartest AI tools released this year, and if you're into efficiency, automation, and scale, you're going to want to watch this till the end. And yes, you can try Playjump AI completely free from the first link below, so you've got no reason not to see what it's capable of for yourself. Now here's what makes Playjump stand out. First off, the interface is lightning fast. No fluff, no learning curve. You log in and you're up and running in seconds. It's clearly built with marketers and content creators in mind. No unnecessary features, just what actually moves the needle. Second, it's built on a hybrid LLM framework, meaning Playjump doesn't rely on just one model like GPT-4 or Claude. It taps into multiple models behind the scenes, switching based on the task. That means you get higher accuracy, fewer hallucinations, and genuinely smarter outputs across writing, research, and repurposing tasks. Next, and this is big, it includes a multi-platform content repurposing engine. You can upload a blog, podcast, or video, and it breaks it down into email copy, tweet threads, YouTube titles, and even short-form scripts. This alone saves hours every week. Fourth, Playjump AI has a persona mode. You tell it the tone, audience, and industry wants, and it auto-adjusts everything it creates from that point. This is gold if you run multiple brands or want to maintain voice consistency across platforms. Number 5, real-time brand and competitor research. You type in a brand, product, or niche, and it pulls in up-to-date data to help shape your messaging. I've used hundreds of AI tools, and this feature is rare and incredibly helpful for staying relevant. Sixth, it's built for teams. You can invite others, assign projects, and even set brand guidelines. This makes it perfect for agencies or creators who work with VAs or editors. No more miscommunication, just plug, play, and publish. Finally, Playjump AI includes a smart feedback system. If you don't like an output, it doesn't just regenerate, it learns. After just a few tweaks, the system starts adapting to your preferences, saving even more time the longer you use it. There's a lot more under the hood, but that's why I recommend checking it out firsthand. You can test Playjump AI for free from the first link below. And if you're like me, it'll earn a spot in your daily workflow by the end of the day. Also, if you're serious about AI, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description that you can also try for free, based on testing literally thousands of tools over the past year. Playjump AI is one of the few that actually lives up to the hype.